Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, 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 ma'am. What are we going to draw today? Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am. Please mute everybody. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, my dear students. How are you? Yes, you all are fine. I'm very happy to know this. And you all must be waiting to learn Lord Durga, right? Yes, so today we are going to learn Goddess Durga, Devi Durga. And see, before starting, I have one thing I want to tell you all, that students, first of all, see, whenever we are learning something, in our syllabus, there are few things which are very simple. There are few things in which we are learning figure. There are few topics in which we are learning some concept. And there are few concept and few topics in which we are learning how to draw a face. Okay? So in today's artwork, you are going to learn how to draw a face. Okay? So first of all, don't give up. Okay? Be determined that I will do it. Okay? Be determined that I will do it. And if you feel that no, I'm finding it difficult, so you will not give up. And you will not think here, okay, no, it's difficult, I won't be able to make. You will keep saying to yourself, I can do it. What you will say? Repeat with me. I can do it. And once you start repeating this, now I can do it, you can do anything. Okay? So with this spirit, without giving up, let's learn Devi Durga. Okay? So what we will be doing? We will be taking paper and we will fold this paper this way. Fold it from center. No need to tear it off. Just fold it. Okay, fold it till center. Okay? And say sometimes it can happen because face. You are learning a human face. So maybe you must be learning it for first time. So see, for giving efforts for learning, if somewhere few lines you feel that these are disturbed, it's okay. Don't worry about that. Okay? When we learn something, sometimes we are able to make very good. Sometimes it's average. Sometimes it's below average. But it doesn't mean it is bad. When we try, when we put efforts, the output is always praiseworthy. Okay? Yes. So with this prayer, I can do it. Let's get started. Okay? This is A4 size. This is A4 size. Okay? Yes, Ishika, do you want to ask anything? You can type and send us. We can't unmute better. Okay? Say if you want to make it in big book, you can just fold paper of big book. You can make with that also. With any paper you can make. Okay? Yes. Now, what you will be doing? Yes, done? All of you have done? Yeah, I will be repeating as many students are getting connected. So I will. Yes, see, you will be do it in your drawing book only. Okay, you will be doing it drawing book. No need to tear your page. You will be doing it in your drawing book only. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I think all students have got connected. I will repeat. I took this paper. I fold it half. I took a crease. Okay. I open it. Yeah, beta, Ishika, we are going to learn Devi Durga today. Okay? We will be learning drawing of Devi Durga. And we are not going to do colors today. We will be making drawing only. Okay? Okay, now see what we will be doing. We will leave some space here and make a line. And some space here and make a line. Yes, drawing book mein. You will be doing it drawing book. Yes, I'm repeating. I just fold this paper, took a crease, and after that, this middle line I have now, I leave some space above and draw a line. I leave some space and draw this line. And one same message, don't send again and again, okay? Once only. Now, this middle line, from crease, join it. Okay, you can join it. This is right from beginning only. Okay, this is beginning only. Those who joined late, so this is beginning only. Don't worry. So what you will be doing? You will be making a line in center. You leave some space here. You leave some space here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, see this half. If I will observe this half, so this is the center point. If this distance to this distance, this is center point, right? And if I will see this half from here to here, this is center point, okay? Take center point. And no need to take measurement. Just take it like that. Yes, okay? And you will be making a T. Okay, T for tree. Okay, this is center of this half. And this is center of this half. Okay. Yeah, and take your own time. No need to hurry. No need to worry. Take your own time. Okay. Yeah. Done? All of you have done? Now you will take 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Take 3 points. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Draw 1, 2, and 3. And yeah, student, I have a very good news for you. Listen carefully. You all want to make your own Ravan to burn on Dashera because it indicates good over evil. So on Sunday, 2 to 4, and this Ravan, the main part of this Ravan is this, that you can make statue of Ravan, you can burn it, and the best part is when you will burn this Ravan, it will be environment friendly. Yes, it will be helpful for environment. And this activity is on coming Sunday. Okay. So those who want to enroll, they will be quick because we have limited seats. In that, we will be teaching you how to make statue of Ravan, and so that you can burn your own Ravan, handmade Ravan. Okay? And I'm floating the link on chat box. You can copy down, and on WhatsApp also and Facebook also you will be getting. So those who are interested to make Ravan and those who want to make their handmade Ravan to burn, they can join our class. Okay, join our activity. So this is the details, and this Ravan is going to be environment friendly. It means when you will burn now, it will be very helpful for environment. It is going to be very special. Okay, so let's get started now. These 2 points. Okay, and be quick beta because we have limited seats. Once seats are packed, we won't be able to enroll you. Okay, so you're supposed to be quick. Now see, after taking 2 points, take one more point here. 1 point here. 1 point here. Near this. Okay, and 1 point here. We have. Okay, and keeping in mind, all of you do yourself. You will see I'm going to use nothing but numbers and letters. I will be making this complete Devi Durga with numbers and letters. And yeah, we need this kind of circle. You can use base of your water bottle. You can use base of your water bottle also. And we need a small circle also. Okay? Yes. Now what you are going to do, this point and this point you join. This and this point join. Yeah, sure. What I did, I took paper, I folded half, then afterwards, leaving some space above and below, I draw a line in center. Then taking the center point of this half, I made a T. And now I took 1 point just below this T and I'm joining from here to here, here to here. Come on, join it. Okay, join it. Yes. Now what I'm going to do, I will be joining this point, and this point will help of letter U. Okay, letter U. So first you make half U from here. And then make half U from here. At the place of making this ways, if you will make this ways now, you will be able to get it nicely. U for umbrella. It's a big U. Okay. Half you make from this side, half you make from this side. U for umbrella. Okay. Now you will erase this line. Erase this line. Okay. Yes. And now this complete standing line now divide in 3 equal parts. Equal lines. Okay. First, second, third. Divided in 3 parts. Okay. Yes. Yeah, divide it, and no need to take scale. You can do it just like that. It will help you maintaining the average distance between lips and chin. Otherwise, what students do, they just keep a big gap between lips and chin. So you no need to take measurement with scale. Just like that, divide the standing line in 3 equal parts. Okay. Without any scale. You can just do it without scale. Now, you will be taking this big bangle of your mom or any other object and see how I'm going to do. I will be keeping it in the way only little part of face it will cover. See, I'm not keeping like this, not a big part. In corner, it will cover. See, from here you can see the lines. A small part of face it is covering. So I will be making a circle which is covering a small part of face. Okay, just near this point. Yes, very carefully you can do this. Use a circle. You can use anything. You can use a cap, you can use a bangle, you can use base of your water bottle. And if you don't have anything, try to make circle with hand without any object. Okay? Don't worry if you don't have any object. Yes. I will go a little slow because we are learning face. Okay? And see, when you are learning something challenging, no, don't start saying, I can't make it. It is very difficult. It is very difficult. No. See, today or tomorrow, you will have to upgrade you, isn't it? So why not today? And here, I'm going to teach everything with help of letters and numbers. I will be using U, I will be using D, I will be using 6, I will be using 1. These all letters, numbers you know. You just be attentive and see that how I am making. Okay? And for very sure, you will be able. See, for making this complete face, I'm going to use letter C. Hannah, you must be finding it very strange. With letter C, the complete face will be done. I will be showing you. Let's get started from here. From here to here, take a point. Decide points first. Okay, be observant. Be observative and try to do it nicely. From here to here.
Can I use compass?
Compass can also be used. If you can handle, because you are very young now. So I think handling compass will be difficult. Because of this only, I suggest you to use object. But if you feel that you can handle compass, you can use compass also. You can use compass for making circles. Okay, now I took a point here. You also take. Have you done with? Have you done with? Please show a thumbs up if you are done with. Thumbs up with what? Thumbs up with smile. Yes. I want a lovely smile on your face. Okay? Yes, that's like. And keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Okay? Yes. Now, C for cat. C for cat. Okay? How C? C for cat. C for cat. This is third eye of Devi Durga. Okay, third eye. She is also called Adi Shakti. And you know about this eye? If Devi Durga will open this eye, the whole world can be destroyed. Okay? Yes. Even Lord Shiva's this eye is always closed. Because if this eye will be opened, the whole world will be destroyed. Okay, so divide line we have. Draw a C. Now you will see that I will be using letter C and my whole drawing will be ready. Okay, letter C, again letter C. Yes, and students, we will keep covering some very important O for orange. O for orange. Okay? Yes. Now, draw O for orange, and this center line will help you guiding that how the work will go. Okay? The center line will help you maintaining symmetry. Yes. Show thumbs up if done and show thumbs down if you're doing. Okay. I just want to have a look. Please lift up your files. I just want to see that how the work is going on. Yes. Very good. Shabash. Very good efforts. Many students are busy doing. I will not disturb them. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Yes. Now I will be making eyes. For making eyes, I will write C for cat. Okay. I will erase this partition. I will make it small. This dividing line. I will make it small. I will be making C for cat. Okay, just below that. C for cat. Okay, now here you can see this distance. This is here, and from here it is this. This is the distance. Same you can keep here. And C for cat. Okay, draw C for cat. Now you will see the magic of C. The whole drawing will be ready with C. Okay, and make sure your both eyebrows should be equal. Now see, this much space here. Here also this much space. And from center line, you can see and maintain the symmetry. C for cat. Okay. And see, the C is flat, not deep. Not deep, it's flat. Yeah. I'm repeating.
Ma'am, why that third eye closed? Can you tell short story?
I will tell the story about this eye next time, not today, okay? Now I will be writing C for cat again. C. First you take 2 points and then make C. And this time the C is quite deep. Okay, same here. I can take 2 points that I want this much big eye and this much big height. So, C for cat. And this time, the C is not flat. This is quite deep. Again, C for cat. Okay? Yes, you will be amazed to see that complete artwork is based on maximum C. Yes, and make it equal. Try to make it equal, okay? And don't move your pencil dark. If you will move your pencil dark, what will happen? After erasing, the impressions will be left. Always move your pencil light. I'm moving it dark so that you can see my lines clearly. But you all should use your pencil light. And for light pencil, always use blunt pencil. For drawing class, never sharpen your pencil, okay? Because it's easy to erase lines of blunt pencil. So blunt pencils are always best for drawing class, okay? Have you done? Please show a thumbs up. I just want to see thumbs up with smile. I can see if you are showing thumbs down. I will wait for them. Okay, C for cat for eyebrows. C for cat for making eyes. Now what to do? I will tell you. Now this and this point, okay? Those who are very young, they can join it with straight line. And those who can do, they will make lines straight, but this straight line is slightly curved. Slightly curved. Okay. But very young one, they can make straight line also. From here to here, slightly curved line. Okay? Okay? Yes. Now see, this is the division, 3 division. Okay? Now, show eyes. Yes. Then, now you will be taking 1 and 2 points. Okay, on eyes, upper side. 1 and 2 points. Same here, 1 and 2 points. Take 2 points, 1 and 2. Right? Now I want to make O. O for onion. But how will I make O? See, all of you see first, then you make. I will be starting my O from here. It will go round and it will finish on my second point. Okay? I'm repeating. I will start it from here. It will go round and it will finish here. O for onion. Okay? And one more O. See this O. Again a small O. I will start from here and I will finish here. Same points. Okay, small O. See how I will start? I will start from here, small O. I will finish here. Yes. Okay. This way is big O and a small O. So letter O I used 2 times. हाँ. Now, this line, we divide our face in 3 lines now. So this line which we have, here you make a small C. C for cat. And see, you will not write C like this. It is wrong. You will be making it flat this way. Okay, this is right. Don't make it this way. It is wrong. Okay, flat C. I took division now. This is first dividing line and second dividing line. Make this. Okay? Yes. Make it nicely, carefully, and first use light pencils so that if it is wrong, you can erase and correct it. Okay? Yeah. And see, those who are very young, this is capital D. If you will observe this, this is D for dog. Okay? And here for making nose, I'm just making a C and it is flat. Now let's make lips. Just below this, show one more big flat C. Same ways as you made nose now, same kind of flat C. Come on, make with me. Okay, I'm making lips. Start doing, Vritti. Okay, this is a flat C. All around competitions are going on now on the Navratri. So you can try this for your competition also. And after making this flat C, have you done with first show your thumbs up? Then I will step on. And please show your thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Okay? Please show your thumbs down. Okay, okay. Finish. I'm waiting for you. Okay? Don't forget to make a small flat C again near this bigger one. Okay? Draw one more small C and see this lovely face of Devi Durga is about to get ready. One more C. Okay? And students, keep trying. Okay? Don't give up. That drawing is very difficult. We are using few numbers and letters. We are doing nothing else. You're supposed to be very observant, okay, keenly observe where I'm taking line, where I'm making, how the shape is, and letters and numbers you write day and night. So hopefully you will be able to manage it. Now see, the favorite jewelry of Devi Durga is nath, okay, nose ring. So I will be taking a small circle, or if you don't want to make no small circle, you can directly make a small circle with free hand. This is called, in Hindi we call it nath. Okay? And in English we call it nose ring. Devi Durga's favorite jewelry. Okay, don't forget to show 2 beads. Again, O 2 times. Okay? Yes. See, so using C, I made nose. Using C, I made lips. This complete face is actually C. C for making eyes, C for making nose, C for making this nose, C for eyes, and everything is made with C and O. Okay? Show your thumbs up as soon as you finish. As soon as you finish, you show your thumbs up. And I just want to see, all of you show your work. Yes. Lift up your files. See, for showing nose now, you will not go for deep round. No. It is flat. It is very flat. Okay, lift up your files. All of you lift up your files. ठीक है. Good. Good. Shabash. Very good efforts. Very good. Very good. I'm happy with your efforts and really trying well. You are making face and you have truly justified with this. Okay. Now, I will be taking 2 points here and I will show 11, small 11 to show neck. Okay, 1, 1, 11. And from here it is L. From here it is L. 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 And then give a curve. Then give a curve. Okay? And this point, draw a C for cat. 11. The last point of 11, you will join and make C for cat. Yes. Okay. Pick up your eraser and erase this line. Okay, erase lines from circle. And here. Take a point here. Near there, here. Okay, this side, near face. 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, and then you will go upwards. And it's looking like a big 6. You're going upwards. Okay, slanting lines. And this both are looking like 6. Big, big 6. Erase this line of face. Okay. If you will keep observing what line we are supposed to keep, what lines we are supposed to erase, and now you will find this figure very simple to draw. Devi Durga, she. Okay. You can take a small circle, or better, let's go for some different shape. Take last point and take 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay. Last point of the 6. Then 1 point here, 1 point here. And you will be joining it with C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. And see, the size should be equal. Okay. One C very small, one very big. Try to maintain symmetry. This is C for cat. First, what I did, this circle I was having, I took a point. I draw a line, so it is looking like 6. I took 2 points and draw C. And from here, take a point here and join it to big circle with slanting line. Join it to big circle with slanting line.
Can you repeat, because there is no problem.
Yeah, I will be repeating. See, we made circle. Then I took point here, and from here I just draw a line that is looking like a big 6. After this, I took 2 points and draw a C and then connect. Same here, C, then connect. Okay. And don't forget to show here 1, 1, 1, 3 times. 1, 1, 1, 3 times. Okay. Okay. One point this side, equal distance. This side also equal distance. Okay, from here, take equal distance. Yes. Now this is the top point, the center line which we have now, where we made crease, top point. See, I took 1 point here, 1 point here. This is the top point and join. Join, draw a V. Okay, draw a V. Yes, all of you do. And you can make these lines without scale also. Without scale also, you can make these lines. Don't forget to write a U inside. U for umbrella inside. 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, here. 1 point here, 1 point here. Take 2 points. Yes, take 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay. And now this D I have now here. This D which I made, I will be taking point and I will join it. And see this complete crown we will be decorating with earbud. I will be showing. Few days back, we taught this drawing of Devi Durga to one batch and I will be showing work of that batch. See, this ways we will be decorating Devi Durga, okay, with earbud. We will be decorating our Devi Durga, which we are learning with earbud, okay? Yes. So because of this only, we are making jewelry of Devi Durga, very simple.
Now, why we will not make
2 to 4, we have a very special activity of Ravan making. And in that, you all will learn to make your Ravan, which you can make. It is an image, a statue of Ravan. Okay, many students are sending message, please teach us Ravan. For this only, we kept a very special activity on Sunday. So you can make your own, okay? Okay, so on Sunday, 2 to 4, we will teach you to make a statue of Ravan, which you can burn. Okay, and the best part of that Ravan is that it's eco-friendly Ravan. When you will burn that Ravan, it will be environment friendly. Okay, so this is a very special kind of Ravan. You will be learning how to make that. And it is on Sunday, okay, because of many students, they wanted to learn Ravan. So because of this only, we kept it on Sunday. To 2 to 4, you can make your Ravan. And afterwards, in night, you can burn your Ravan just to show victory of good over evil. And students, we have limited seats. So please enroll if you are interested. It is on Sunday. And link floating on your chat. So you can copy links, okay? And you can copy it from Facebook page and WhatsApp also. Okay, let's complete this now. Come back to our work. We will be making 10 head of Ravan, everything as Ravan looks. And it will be a complete statue because you all want to make. And many students requested, and because of this only, we kept it specially on Dussehra. Okay? Yes, see now after making this, take point here. Take point here. Take point here. And take point. Yes, I'm floating the link. Okay, it is on your chat box. You can copy it if interested. Yes. From here to corner. See, I will be making hair of Devi Durga. Reach to corner. Okay, from here. From here to corner. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Okay? Yes. Do this. Yeah. I'm waiting and I'm repeating from where to where. I took points here and one point I took in corner of my book. And with C for cat, I made hair. Long, dense hair of Devi Durga. Okay? And as I showed you now, jewelry I'm making very simple. Okay, as I showed in this image. See this kind of earrings we made. So every detailing we will be doing with earbud. So that's why we kept design very simple. Okay. Yes. Now you can make few lines to show hair. Okay. These are hairline, and you will be making V. First you decide distance, and you can make V, V. I'm going to keep crown very simple. Complicated design will make it difficult. Here, here, here. Okay. V, 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 and connect it. Before stepping on and completing design in crown and necklace, I just want to have a look at how the students have done. Lift up your files. Yes, lift up your files, because today you are learning a face. Okay? Face. And today you are trying it. Afia, for making the smile, I think you used bangle, right? Don't use bangle, beta. Make it flat. Okay? It is going round. Do this correction. Okay? Yeah, rest all can see. Please, all of you lift up your files. Ajinkya, lift up your files, all of you. I want to see how Devi Durga's drawing is done, beta. Yes. Advait, show. All of you lift up. Many of you are not showing me. Why? Yes. Lift up and hold it for some times. When I'll tell you, na, keep it down, then only you will keep it down. Yes, very good efforts. Very good efforts. And see, when you put efforts, you can do anything. Okay? And don't worry if you feel that my Devi Durga is not looking exactly like ma'am's Devi Durga. It's okay. You are learning a new art form. Okay? Very well done. Very good efforts. Very good efforts. Okay? Sometimes our drawing is very good. Sometimes it's average. Sometimes it's below average. But this ways only we learn new things. When we start and learn a new artwork, it takes time, but slowly and slowly we learn. Very well done. Very good efforts. Shabash. Yes. Now let's complete design. Now see, I will be making only circle. As design, I want to complete with earbud. I will be making it very beautifully designed with earbud. I will just make a circle. A circle here. Try to make your circle with free hand without taking help of any object. And here we will be making beads. Okay? Yeah. I will be making a circle here. And one circle here. Okay? Yes, one circle here, one circle here. And here also you can make circles. Because with earbud, I will be making all dots around. As I showed you in this Devi Durga, We made crown very simple here also. If you will observe this artwork now, see, the crown is very simple. But what we did with earbud, we decorated. Okay? We applied different earbud. Even this is earring. We applied earbuds. No. Okay? Yes. Finish it. Now we will complete beautiful necklace of Devi Durga. Okay? Yes. Before that, let's complete here. Take a line near this third eye. Take a point here. And and now from here, I will start making C for cat. 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 Okay, hairline. Hairline of Devi Durga. So you start from here near this eye and you will write C, 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 again C. Okay? Yes. Here also C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Okay? And I made jewelry very, very simple because we will be decorating it with earbud. Okay? And I don't want to erase this line because half we can do with black, Devi Kali and Devi Durga this way. Let's decide how we are going to do it. Okay? So, now let's complete necklace of Devi Durga. Okay? And these are hair of Devi Durga. Let's make, finish it first. Let's make this line double. Okay, let's make this line double. Yes. And after that, you can just write C for showing design of necklace. Okay, C for cat. C for cat and uniform size, okay? Big and small, and don't write in dirty way. Very nicely in uniform C. Show this kind of necklace. Okay, yes. So this is all about Devi Durga's drawing. After making drawing, it's time to give outlines. But before that, I just want to check how the work is going on. Okay? Yes. Now it's complete and I want to see an hairline. Okay? Open wide. Yes. Very good efforts. Very good efforts. Make bindi. If you feel that there are lots of spaces left, you can make bindi big also. Okay? Very good. Shabash. Lovely efforts. Keep doing. Gitika. Show beta. Riva. Good efforts. Very good. Very good. You all have done really wonderful. Shabash. And okay, now let's give outlines. Okay, pick up your black sketch pen after making drawing. What is our next step? We always give outline. So pick up your black sketch pen and start giving. And never start your outline with face. First, start with jewelry. Okay, and very carefully, we all will be moving on our jewelry. Very carefully. Because once the lines are wrong, we won't be able to correct it. Okay.
Do we have to middle line?
See, middle line, I'm planning of making it half Devi Kali and half Devi Durga. But let's see, you can, don't erase middle line, okay? And don't give outline also. This middle line, let it remain there with pencil, okay? Don't outline that. We'll see what we are going to do with this middle line. Okay, very carefully, you will move. This is second step of our drawing. We draw with pencil. And one more thing, students, you always should keep in mind, for making drawing, always use blunt pencil. You know, before drawing period, drawing class, you start sharpening your pencil. No, blunt pencils are always best for drawing class, because the lines of blunt pencil we can erase easily and clearly. So keep one thing in mind for drawing class. Don't sharpen your pencil, okay? Okay, and that activity time, we have already floated the links on your chat box, so you can copy down. Okay, and time is 2 to 4, and the material list you will get, okay, as soon as you enroll. And this Ravan is not going to be ordinary Ravan, because this is going to be eco-friendly Ravan. Okay, we are going to make this Ravan keeping things in mind, that when we burn it, it will be environment supportive. Okay, with this thing we will keep in mind. So this is a very special kind of Ravan. Those who are interested, they can enroll. Okay, Sunday you can make your own Ravan and burn. Now see the outlines slowly and slowly. After giving outlines, what started happening? Drawing started taking a prominent shape, prominent beauty. Okay, and if you feel here, this is a very, so much of space is left, you can make one more big bindi. And if you feel that big space is left, and if you don't want to make, you can leave it. In many drawing files, the eye and small bindi, and after that a big space is left. So there you can add one big bindi also, okay? And this ways, and next class, be ready for stories. I will be sharing stories of Devi Durga. Okay, Devi Durga is also called Ajanma. Okay, and why we call her Ajanma? If you don't have black sketch pen, beta, you can try any other dark color, but outlines you should go for. Okay, otherwise coloring we are going to do on Monday now. So you can arrange it from somewhere, and afterwards you can give outlines. Okay, right now you don't do. You can do it in homework. Okay, and see, almost ready. And students, if you feel that somewhere my drawing is average or below average, don't get disheartened. Because when you will learn something new, some new art form, which when you will learn now, so sometimes it happens that drawing turns average or below average. But what we are supposed to keep in mind, we are learning, we are doing. So if you are putting your efforts, that is praiseworthy. I know this only. And while going through, when I was watching to your drawings, you can see and observe. You made a face, okay? And for making this face, what I used letters and numbers. Okay, and I will suggest, if you don't have time to redo, do it again, at least see recording, because face is a very new thing for you. You are learning it for first time, right? So when you will go through recording, now the method of how we draw T first, then we use U, then we use letter D for making eyes, we made eyebrows, we made nose. These all things will get fixed in your mind, okay? So I will always suggest, please go see videos so that you can revise, okay? And see here, This Devi Durga's drawing is ready. Okay. And next class, we will color it. But before that, again, I'm reminding you, we have class of Dussehra. Okay. So in that also, you will be learning drawing, cutting, pasting. It is a complete package of art and craft. Okay. But in that, colors and everything we are going to use. And the best part of that Ravan statue which you will be learning is you all can make it yourself. And secondly, it is going to be eco-friendly. When we'll burn it, it will be eco-friendly. Okay? Not harmful. This is the best part of our Ravan. And links we have already floated. You can get it on our Facebook page. And before leaving, I just want to have a final look. Please show how the work has turned out. Yes. And I would like to suggest all of you, you see work of your friends also. See, face study, and you have tried it. You have justified. See, this is your power. Okay, so never limit yourself. This is difficult, I can't make. No, you are supposed to try and think out of box. Otherwise, how will we grow? If we will keep making things which we are finding comfortable with, we will never be able to learn something challenging. Isn't it? Isn't it? Do you agree? Show your thumbs up if you agree me. Hana? If we will learn something challenging, then only we will upgrade. We will be able to upgrade, na? Very good. And see this middle line, don't give outline and don't even erase. We will see what we are supposed to do. Because I'm planning of doing coloring in a very special way. So don't erase this line. And this way is, today we learn Devi Durga. Okay? And next Monday, be ready with earbuds. Okay? Keep earbud and watercolors with you because all jewelry and decoration we are going to do with earbud and jewelry. As I showed in this Devi Durga. This Devi Durga was taught to senior group. And here this earbud impression for jewelry and dress. Same ways we will be doing. Okay? Yes. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay, take care of your health because weather is changing. Eat healthy, keep healthy. Bye-bye.